Did you know that by adopting a few simple frugal living hacks, you could save up to $10,000 a year? It might sound like a myth, but small changes can indeed lead to substantial savings. Imagine your daily coffee shop visit replaced with a homemade brew. It seems small, but this swap could save you $1,000 annually just by brewing your own coffee. Consider another switch, your gym membership. Are you fully utilizing all the facilities you're paying for? Often, a significant part of your fee is wasted on seldom used services. Imagine replacing the gym with outdoor exercises. This would not just offer you a taste of nature and fresh air, but also increase your savings. Walking or cycling in your park, doing yoga, can provide a solid workout without spending on a gym membership. Moreover, there are numerous other frugal living hacks that can help you save more. For instance, cooking at home, using public transportation, unplugging electronic devices when not in use, can all lead to surprising savings. These hacks don't imply living a life of deprivation. They instead promote smart, conscious spending, helping you get the most from your hard-earned money. Stay tuned as we unveil 6 frugal living hacks that you need to try today. Hack number 1. Make your kitchen your new best friend. Ever pondered the financial and health perks it brings? It's about mastering your food choices and a new skill. The cost of regular dining out or takeouts can strain your budget. Consider the countless times the charm of a local cafe or a food delivery app has tempted you to spend your hard-earned money. Now visualize regaining that control. With home cooking, you have power over ingredients and budget. You're your own culinary master, creating meals to suit your taste and health needs. You're not dependent on a restaurant's menu or a delivery app's availability. Meal prepping for the week is another advantage. This trending concept about planning and preparing meals in advance saves time and money. Imagine a week's worth of meals ready for you. No more panicked last-minute searches for food. Creating a meal with hand-picked ingredients imparts unparalleled satisfaction. The joy of crafting and consuming a dish you've lovingly created is unique, something dining out can't match. Cooking at home, befriending your kitchen, is a lifestyle change. It may seem formidable initially, but with practice and patience, it can revolutionize your life. It promotes awareness of your diet, spending, and the joy in the process. With a bit of planning, you can save a significant amount by simply cooking at home. Hack number 2. Think big and buy in bulk. This principle thrives on economies of scale. It's not about buying more, it's about smarter purchasing. Non-perishable items are ideal for this strategy, offering potential for great savings over time. These items can sit on your shelves for a considerable period without spoiling, making them excellent commodities to buy in bulk. Picture your pantry stocked with all your preferred non-perishable goods, from canned goods to pasta, rice, beans, and family-sized packs of toilet paper. The possibilities are endless. When shopping, it becomes apparent that the price per unit often decreases as the quantity offered increases. This realization means that by buying double, you're not paying double the price. Effective storage is key to maximize your bulk purchases. Having an organized system allows you to monitor your supplies. Clear containers are excellent for this purpose, enabling quick and easy inventory checks. Remember to store your items away moisture, as it can degrade the quality of your goods, turning your economical bulk purchases into a waste. Storing them in a dry, cool space is optimal. Lastly, understand that bulk buying is a long-term investment. It may not show instant returns, but over time, it has the potential to pay off with significant savings. It's a method of shopping that encourages you to plan for the future and ultimately save more. Remember, bulk buying is a long-term investment that pays off with significant savings. Hack number 3. Become a DIY enthusiast. The world of do-it-yourself offers a treasure trove of easily made cleaning products. Think about it. Everyday ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon are ready to transform into potent cleaning solutions, saving you money. Take vinegar, usually used for pickling cucumbers or adding tang to your salad. Yet, it's a versatile ingredient that can be repurposed into an all-purpose cleaner, leaving surfaces spotless while being gentle on your skin. Next up, baking soda. More than just a cake ingredient, it's a secret weapon in cleaning. It can become a scrub that tackles tough stains on tiles, countertops, and steel appliances when mixed with water. Now, add in the refreshing scent of lemons. A dash of lemon juice or a few drops of lemon essential oil can turn your homemade cleaning product from ordinary to extraordinary. The citrusy scent is pleasing and has antibacterial properties, enhancing your DIY cleaner's ability. Imagine crafting a refreshing citrus cleaner, emitting a zesty fragrance, or a potent baking soda scrub that powers through grime. The satisfaction of creating these products, knowing what goes them, and seeing their effectiveness is unparalleled. These mixtures are as effective, if not more, than any store-bought solution. These DIY products are cost-effective and eco-friendly. Trust me, embracing homemade cleaning alternatives is a decision you won't regret. Hack number 4. Learn to prioritize your needs over your wants. This personal finance principle can prove more complicated in practice. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of the distinction between needs and wants. Needs are classified as the fundamental necessities of life, like food, housing, and clothing. They're the things we need to live a healthy, safe life. On the flip side, wants are the things that enhance or improve our life's quality, but we wouldn't struggle to survive without them. Some examples would be latest technology gadgets and high-end apparel. Developing a discipline to effectively differentiate between these two can help you make more sensible decisions. Whenever you're about to buy something, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? If it falls under want, whether the expense matches the value it brings. Astonishingly, you'll find that the savings gained from refraining from non-essential purchases can add up substantially over time. Nevertheless, wise spending implies you abandon all enjoyments. It's about making insightful, well-considered decisions about your expenditures. By consciously regulating your expenses, you're not just saving money, but also shaping a secure financial future. In a way, you're gaining control over your financial destiny. By managing your spending, you're directing your financial future. And finally, let's move on to hack number 5. Invest in energy-efficient appliances. It's a common misconception that being frugal means always opting for the cheapest option. However, being frugal is about making smart investments that offer long-term savings. One such smart investment is in energy-efficient appliances. These appliances, such as LED light bulbs, energy-efficient refrigerators, and programmable thermostats, might seem more expensive upfront. But don't let the initial price tag deter you. They are designed to consume less energy, thus reducing your monthly utility bill significantly. Consider this. A regular light bulb uses around 60 watts of energy, while an LED bulb uses only 8 to 12 watts. That's a reduction of up to 80% in energy consumption. Now extrapolate that to all the light bulbs in your home, and imagine the savings over a year. Similarly, energy-efficient refrigerators use less electricity, and programmable thermostats ensure your heating and cooling systems are only running when necessary. Over time, these savings can add up to a significant amount, making the initial investment worthwhile. The key takeaway here is to look beyond the initial cost and consider the long-term savings. Remember, every little bit helps when you're trying to save money. So the next time you're shopping for appliances, look for the Energy Star label. It's a small step that can lead to big savings in the long run. And now, we move to our 6th hack. Embrace public transportation. Begin to imagine life without the constant worries of car ownership. Factor in the exorbitant costs associated with insurance, fuel, routine maintenance, and not to mention those pesky parking fees. It's to see that these expenditures can swiftly escalate. Now, let's consider an alternative: public transportation. Often overlooked, it's worth noting that public transportation is a cost-effective alternative to the continual financial drain of a personal vehicle. Beyond the considerable financial savings, it's essential to highlight the environmental benefits of public transportation. Using shared modes of transport considerably reduces your carbon footprint, thus contributing to a healthier and more sustainable planet. Who knew that such a simple lifestyle change could have such a profound impact on the world we live in? However, the advantages of public transportation don't end there. Think about the time you spend behind the wheel, time that could be put to much better use. Using public transport can grant you this extra time, transforming your into a productive or restful period. Imagine being able to read your favorite novel, catch up on pending work, or simply unwind during your commute. In essence, choosing public transportation over a personal vehicle is not only a financially prudent choice, but also a step towards environmental conservation. Plus, it grants you the gift of time, allowing you to make the most of your daily commute. So consider ditching your car and hopping on a bus, train, or tram for your daily commute. There you have it, 6 frugal living hacks that could potentially save you up to $10,000 a year. Our strategies included home-prepared meals instead of takeout, effectively managing your diet and finances. We also highlighted bulk buying, a simple tactic that leads to savings on everyday items. Crafting your own cleaning products reduces expense and exposure to harmful chemicals. Alongside, we emphasize prioritizing needs over wants, a mindful distinction that alters spending habits in favor of savings. Frugality's power doesn't need drastic lifestyle changes. Minor adjustments can result in substantial savings, transforming your financial future. These hacks aim to inspire you to implement changes and witness the significant difference they can make. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.